Hey everybody, today I wanted to show you how you can skip the Microsoft account sign-in on your Windows 11 computer, just like this one. And that way you don't have to sign into Windows 11 with a Microsoft account. You can just use a local account. And if you do like this video, at the end, if you don't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button and subscribe for me because that really helps me out. So let's go over to the computer now and I'll show you all the steps that you have to take in order to have a local account and not a Microsoft account on your Windows 11 computer. Okay, so you can see based off of my screen, I'm already at the Windows 11 configuration setup. And it's already installed Windows 11 on the computer. I just have to finish the setup. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose my country. And I'm in the United States, but you will want to pick whichever country you are in. So I'm going to click on United States and then click Yes. And then here, you want to choose the keyboard layout or input method that is correct for you. Mine is currently US, but you would want to choose whichever one is correct for you. And then click on Yes. Now I do not need to add a second keyboard layout, so I'm going to click on Skip. But if you do have a second keyboard layout that you would like to have, maybe you want to have US as your secondary, you can go ahead and click Add Layout and click on that other keyboard layout that you would like to have. But I'm going to click on Skip. Now I know in my other video that I created, you had to be disconnected from the internet in order for it to work. Well, this method, you do not have to be disconnected from the internet. So if by chance it's checking for updates and you're already connected to the internet and it installs those updates, this way will still work. So I'll be right back as soon as it finishes getting all those updates. Okay, so if your Windows 11 setup happens to find some updates and then it downloads and installs those updates and it restarts into the Windows 11 setup, it's going to ask for the name of your device. So I'm just going to call mine IT101 Win 11. And then I'm going to click on Next. And mine did restart after I put in the name of the device, and now it's bringing up the Windows 11 setup again. So it may bring up the setup quite a few times, but that's okay. And I'm still going to show you how to skip that Microsoft account sign-in. I'm just waiting for it to get to that point because I wanted you to see it from the beginning all the way to where I've completely skipped it and it gets into Windows 11. Okay, so at this point, most people would click that they want to set it up for personal use. And that would work fine, except that's where it's going to require that you have a Microsoft account. What we're going to do is we're going to click on Set Up for Work or School, and then we're going to click on Next. Okay, now here, I'm going to click on Sign In Options. And then I'm going to click on Domain Join Instead. Now this is where it's great. Now we don't have to actually connect to a domain. What we're going to do is it wants our name. So I'm going to put in IT101 and I'm going to click Next. And then it wants a password. So I'm going to go ahead and put my password in. And then I'm going to click on Next. And then I'm going to put my password in again. And then I'm going to click Next. And then it wants 3 security questions and 3 security answers. So I'm just going to pick out 3 just so you can see. And you can choose any of the questions you want, and you can put any answer that you want to. I'm just trying to get past it so that you can see that this will work. And after the last one, I just click on next. Okay, now here you can turn off any of these privacy settings that you don't want to have turned on. I'm just going to leave them all on for right now and just click on accept. And again, mine is checking for even more updates. So as soon as this finishes, I'll be right back. While we're waiting for the Windows 11 updates to finish, I wanted to let you know that if you do need a copy of Windows 11 to install on your computer because you're not upgrading from Windows 10, then you can purchase a copy of Windows 11, and I put 2 links down below in the video description. One is for the Windows 11 Home Edition, and one is for the Windows 11 Pro Edition. Now, both of those are going to work great on your computer. They're both 64-bit because Windows 11 does not have a 32-bit version anymore. But if you do need a version, either the Home or the Pro are going to work great for you. If you're going to use it in a business environment, I would suggest the Pro just because it includes a couple more security features that may be beneficial to keep your computer more secure. So both of those are down below in the video description. If you need a copy of Windows 11, just look down there. And we're almost done with the Windows 11. It's coming right back up now, and then we'll finish the setup, and I'll show you that it's booted to the Windows 11 desktop and it's working. So let's give it just a moment. Okay, so Windows 11 finally finished installing all the updates, and it has restarted and it's ready for us to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the keyboard, and I'm going to log in with my password, and then it's going to boot up to the desktop. And if you'll notice, I did not have to put a Microsoft account in. It did not require it at all. And so that is how you can bypass the Windows 11 Microsoft account sign-in, and you don't have to go through any other steps. You just tell it that you want to do a domain join, and then you just put in your username, and then you put in your password, and then you just answer 3 security questions that you can pick, and you put an answer in, and you have a local account ready to go. So I hope that was helpful on how you can bypass the Microsoft account sign-in on the Windows 11 setup. That way you can have a local account instead of having to create it with a Microsoft account. If you do have any questions about this, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you about that and help you with that Windows 11 setup so that you can skip the Microsoft account sign-in. And if there's a video that you'd like for me to create for you, I will do my best to create it. If you'll let me know down below in the comments as well, I'll try to put that up for you. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like how do I skip the Microsoft account sign-in in the Windows 11 setup. And I'll be glad to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.